Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out this adorable Zippy Paws banana toy. Anyone who has a dachshund knows that they love to destroy toys within seconds. So the fact that I have had this little Zippy Paws monkey toy for quite a while now really impresses me. I love the fact that I can not only put the little monkeys inside, but also encourage him to burrow by adding little treats inside as well so he can go ahead and dig them out. There's 3 monkeys included in total, and he has not been able to take a squeaker out of any of them, which is almost a miracle. You can see he really adores them, and I love the fact that they're small enough that he can just carry them around as well. We do enjoy a little game of tug of war, and then he can go ahead and just catch it and run off. He has been entertained for hours with this toy, hours and hours, and he is still not sick of it. All I need to say is get your monkey and we're ready to play. As you can see, my dog absolutely loves it, but that's just my point of view.